Hey everyone, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you how to prepare a strawberry cream easily at home. The strawberry cream is highly effective in skin lightening and whitening, and it also helps in making your skin super glowing, radiant and spotless, as it has all the amazing ingredients to lighten and whiten your skin complexion as well as to remove your suntan, dark spots, acne scars and skin discoloration, and makes your skin even toned, glowing, fair, radiant and crystal clear. So now let's see how to prepare this strawberry cream easily at home. And to prepare this cream, you firstly gonna need 2 to 3 strawberries. After that, you have to grate these strawberries with the help of a grater and make a fine paste out of it, or you can even blend them in a blending or a grinding jar and make a fine strawberry paste. And after grating the strawberries, your strawberry paste will look like this, and the consistency of this paste should be a little thick like I'm showing you in the video. And now I'm adding approx 1 teaspoon rose water in this strawberry paste, just to make the consistency of this strawberry paste a little bit runny so that it's easier to stain this mixture. And after mixing the rose water in this strawberry paste, now we are going to stain this mixture with the help of a strainer, or you can even use a cheesecloth to stain this mixture. And we are staining this mixture because we need a fine strawberry paste to make this highly effective strawberry cream. And after straining this paste really nicely, your fine strawberry paste is ready and it will look like this. And now let's prepare the strawberry cream. And to prepare this cream, you firstly have to take approx 2 tablespoons this fine strawberry paste in a clean bowl. After that, you have to add 1 teaspoon glycerin in it. Then we are going to add half a teaspoon vitamin E oil in it, and if you are using the vitamin E capsules, you have to add 3 to 4 vitamin E capsules in it. And now lastly, we are going to add approx 2 tablespoons Saundarya aloe vera gel in it, or you can even use the normal aloe vera gel. And then mix everything really nicely to make a smooth, creamy, fluffy and a lump-free paste. And here I am adding half a tablespoon more aloe vera gel in it, just to make the consistency of this cream more creamy and fluffy. And after mixing everything really nicely, your homemade skin lightening and whitening strawberry cream is ready, and it will look like this. And the consistency of this cream should be medium, which is neither so thick and not so runny, and it should be so much fluffy, creamy and smooth like I'm showing you in the video. So now let me tell you how to store this homemade strawberry cream. And to store this cream, you're gonna need an airtight container. Here I'm just transferring this cream in this small airtight container, and you can store it at room temperature for up to 10 to 15 days. This cream is 100% natural and is 100% effective in lightening and whitening your skin complexion, because it contains all the natural ingredients which works really best to lighten and whiten your skin tone and to treat your dull and dry skin. This cream also helps in fading away your dark spots, acne scars, pigmentation and uneven skin tone, and it also treats sunburn, suntan, black spots and dry and flaky skin. It also prevents all signs of anti-aging like wrinkles, fine lines, sagging skin and dull skin, and makes your skin even toned, fair, glowing, radiant, spotless and crystal clear. So now let me tell you how to use this cream for best results. So you just have to take a little amount of this cream and then apply it all over your skin, and then massage it in circular motions. Just gently massage it in circular motion for about 30 to 45 seconds. And after applying this cream, just leave it overnight so that your skin completely absorbs this cream. And for best results, you have to use it daily, twice in a day, for at least 15 to 20 days to get fair, glowing, radiant and highly moisturized skin. So that's it for this video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye bye, take care.